As part of this module, we will perform basic database operations in Postgres. As an application developer or a data engineer or even as a tester and all, you should be very comfortable with the database operations. Leveraging the knowledge related to database operations, we should be able to understand the relevant libraries to perform the database operations from the applications which we are going to develop. This is to get started. We will not be covering all aspects related to database operations here. Wherever it is relevant in other courses, those advanced concepts will be taken care. For now, whatever is required for CRUD operations with respect to the applications, we will focus on those aspects. We will get an overview of SQL. We will then see how to create a database and users table. Then we'll actually talk about DDL, which is nothing but data definition language, DML, which is nothing but data manipulation language, DQL, which is nothing but data query language. Then CRUD operations, which are nothing but DML and DQL. You will understand the relationship between CRUD operations and DML and DQL at this point. Then TCL, which is nothing but transaction control language. And also to relate whatever is covered as part of this module, we will be seeing examples with respect to data engineering and web application, where we'll be using different approaches to perform the same database operations depending upon the nature of the applications which we are trying to build. And towards the end, we will also take care of an exercise so that you assess yourself that you are comfortable with respect to basic database operations. If you are looking for some advanced topics, we will not be going into those details at this point. Depending upon the courses which we are going to create, if at all some advanced database operations or concepts are required, we will be covering those aspects in those courses.